I want to help my friend and I have to paint the paint chip off and I have to do a spot repair. And I will do this always as best as I can. And now it is time to start this small project. And also he asked me to paint that kind of plastic cover, mirror plastic cover. I will show you. I have it here because he got a black one and I will repaint this also. So, time to do this! I am using 320 with foam, so this sandpaper is very good. Now I will put some masking paper here because you know I don't want to scratch the fender. Okay guys, so now I will wet sand it, this mirror plastic cover. I will be using 600. Of course I will try to do my best, but this work is for free. Okay, done. Okay guys, so I sanded everything here, I smoothed the surface out. Now I will sand using 1500 here and here because I want to have space for blending. I will use base here and I will try to blend it as best as I can. Okay, this will be more than enough. I have to clean it again using wax and grease, and I will add the first coat of primer. Guys, now I will do fast masking. Guys, I am doing this wrong, I know, but I have only this tape. It is what it is. Sometimes if you don't have budget to do it, that kind of repair, you have to use what you have in the hands, so we will see. So guys, it is time for first layer of primer. So guys, as you can see, the first layer is in. I will be doing the second and third of the camera, and then I will show you the painting process. Hope everything will be looking fine. Also I need to add, you see, a bit primer there. Nice, nice, nice. Okay guys, so as you can see, I apply 3 coats of primer. Now everything is smooth. Look. Also I use this heat gun to bake the primer faster. So now I can sand it using 600. I wanna sand almost everything because I need to have the color here to blend. The fix was here and here, so I have to sand it almost there. Now I will try to do this, and then I will be putting base and clear. So now, guys, I will sand the unnecessary primer, and in this case this will help me to blend this better, you know. By the way, I am using 1500 sandpaper. Using 1500 I will sand the primer and I will not burn through the clear, so this is the safe method to do this. It will take a lot of time, but this is the safest way to do so. Okay, I am happy with the result. Now I will clean it. I will using the air because I want to get rid of the water. So guys, the first coat is done. I will be waiting 10 minutes and I will apply second coat. Okay, time to put some clear. Done. Okay guys, so I will try to do it using one hand. Now on the edges I will use fade out thinner to... Okay guys, so now I will use fade out thinner, and fade out thinner will burn the new clear coat to the old clear coat, and it will be easier to polish and there will be no sign after my small spot repair. So time to do this, time to do this. And that's it. Look. Job done! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Looks like this. Shiny, shiny. There is no sign after this spot repair, you see? Everything looks perfect for me. So I am very happy, and I will show you also the mirror. Here is one dirt. There is one small dirt, but I will leave it because the paint is too fresh. I will polish this maybe in the next week. Hope you like this movie, guys. I know this is a different video. I didn't, like I said on the beginning, I don't have much to do now, so I don't recording much because I don't have content for you guys. But soon I will be posting new videos and for sure I will be fixing BMW X3. This will be my car and I think 4 motorcycles, but this will be a surprise. I don't want to tell you what kind of motorcycles they are. So follow me on my channel and hope you like that kind of content. And guys, I love you and see you all to the next time. Peace, bye, hoo hoo hoo, sayonara, la 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 la.